Sikhathele. Sithiniwe sikhathele.
Utshwala lobo budlana. Siyazikhandela sikhandwa umlungu kunabantu bokufika esibabambile abala lokutshwala kuthelana nabo amabhodlela lawo nanga amabhodlela khona ngena bebuke ngani zakwethu ilizwe ukubambulawa kanjani izinto esizibambayo la ezimakhemikhali zokukhanda utshwala naka utshwala naka amabhodlela akhona bukelani yonke le nation yonke le nation le ukhanda utshwala kubulawa abantu la eSouth Africa abethu uhulumeni uthi abangahambi laba bantu bahlale la nazi izinto esizibambayo la esizibamba kuleli lizwe likaMthaniya ilizwe likaMthaniya liphela abantu bokufika kukhanda into ezingalungile izinto ezikhanda utshwala lo isiminofu lesesigcwele la sigcwele amanakungana angiyazi bangizayibiza ngithini le amathangi akhona okukhanda utshwala laba abantu lokutshwala abaphuzi noma ngithi abaphuzi abafuni ukuphuza kodwa ngithe ngoba kukhandwa yibo bazaphuza ngeke ukhande into ukhande nabantu ungafuni ukuyiphuza wena kufuneka uyiphuze nazo ezinye igubhu kunamakhemikhali angasukumi phasi la kunamakhemikhali la amakhemikhali la awubulala ilizwe lomthaniya eKhendali la eKhendali eSanchina Sunshine la nanga amakhemikhali akhanda utshwala bokubulala ilizwe masithi abaphuma abantu bokufika ezweni akufuni uhulumeni akafuni ukuthi baphume laba bantu ulobe bagodile manje kudala sithi abaphume laba bantu baphume bathethele bahambe baye emazweni abo abafuni ukubathethela laba bantu babahambe nazi isimo izivalo zakhona lezi zokunakungana zokufaka utshwala zokuvala izigubhu lezi zakhona nazi ezinye izivalo sikhathele abantu bokufika ezweni lakithi sithi sicela abaphume abantu bokufika ngoba bazophula ilizwe sikhathele abantu bokufika uhulumeni akasibonele akhiphe kukhitshwe nale mali ewu-6 billion kuqashwa amabhasi ngoba ikhitshwa yiwo lamazwe ngaphandle ayiphume lesimali ewu-6 billion inikezwe laba bantu kuqashwa amabhasi uhulumeni abakhiphela abanye baqashele izindiza abaphume bahambe ungaloko kugodwe labantu behleli la kuleli lizwe ayiphume imali ikhona le mali ewu-6 billion ekhitshwa yilamazwe ngaphandle ayiphume isize laba bantu kuqashwe lamabhasi abuyele emazweni abo ihlalele le mali le buka izinto esizitholayo la ezibulala leli lizwe sikhathele yizo zonke izinto lezi nanga amakhemikhali lawo
ngiyathela naye le nto ayiphuzeki
imnyama nje imnyama ithethu eyokubulala abantu bakithi eSouth Africa angihale nokuyinonga lento iyahisha lento inuka kabi yayiziba ichayi zokucina isifuba ichayi isifuba lento abezingane zakwethu yenzeka kuphi eWitbank eKhendali ngaseKhendali emaplazini akeKhendali eSanchina kudayiswa lokutshwala lokhu bokuyikhandela kudayiswa umlungu kuqashaka amaforina wodwa kunamaforina la agcwele la akhandela lokutshwala kubulawa ilizwe likaMthaniya sicela uhulumeni asisize ngendaba yamabhasi kunikeze abantu laba abagcwele izikhungo baphume babuyele emazweni abo le mali ayisebenze le mali le mali lo 6 billion okhulunywa ngawo isikhathi sawo busebenze manje kulayithela abantu bokufika babuyele emazweni abo sikhathele abantu bokufika bedayisa izidakamizwa ezweni lakithi Kuyaphela ilizwe abantu bokufika. Sikhathele sekonele. Nanga amabhoksi ethole yonke indawo la.
La maphoyisa ehleka abavikelayo labantu. La maphoyisa weze nje. Hawu, maweze la maphoyisa uzobona lento ukuthi bangacoshwa labantu bayibone ukuthi injani. Maweze lawo maphoyisa azobona. Azobona. Bayiphuze bona mangabe bayavuma ukuthi bahlale bayiphuze.
Izinto zonke lezi ezigcwele la ezibulalizwe likaMthaleni. Siyalwa silwa nobulungiswa ezweni. Abantu basisukela ngemva ngezibhambe zivela abantu bokufika kodwa kubula abantu lento nje le angazi noma ngizathi ugologo bani ugologo uthizeni ongawazi. Yilona bengithi abawuphuze. Nasi iSminoff sigcwele imiqhomo la imiqhomo phela emikhulu imiqhomo le. Egcwele iSminoff la. Siyabulawa ezweni lakithi.
Evidence. Evidence nangu ujeke wokuthela.
Nangu ujeke wokuthela.
Yeah.
Evidence. Sikhathele, sekonele. Abaphume bahamba. Abaphume baba. Sinejama boyisa ke manje.
Nakho kuna ngikwazi ngokwani ke khona.
So the police caught a guy selling purified water in his spaza shop from his toilet. Watch the video to check his whole setup leading up to the front end of the year from inception. Check this setup out.
These people are selling water that we think it's purified, coming from the toilet.
What the hell is this thing? What the hell is this thing? Check it out. Now you're in front, ne? Now you're in front. Check out like it is nice in the front here. Nice eye. Nice shop. All here's the Bocomo, cornflakes, all is there. See the pipe is still running on top. You see the pipe? See the pipe? See it's running there. It's running into the machine into the machine.
This is the water that they are selling for the people.
Yeah, even with the bubbles, bubbles flying there.
And they are selling to the communities.
Yeah, must watch, yeah.
Our communities are just eating or drinking.
Because yours are just here in the front. So now you check, it's not. It's toilet water, bro. What's that? Aye. Reverse osmosis. Aye, check it. Aye. Let me tell you, aye, that's all. Check, aye, the weaves are there's weaving through the town, that's all, bro. Aye.
Once again, I'm taking you through this water that is coming from.
Check his pipes there, aye, that's all. Aye, that's all. Couldn't even come from a toilet. You know, I was making a toilet at least. You must know, you see this in a failed toilet, bruh. Failed in a cut in a toilet. Can't even make a toilet, bruh. They must go now there with a failed toilet.
Being made to drink filth.
Filth!
That is coming from the toilet.
It is coming from the toilet? Aye.
This cannot be tolerated.
Aye.
It cannot.
I cannot.
South Africans, you can see that this is getting worse now. And you can see even the level of like hygiene. You can see this is dirty. Someone, you're not even sure if their hands are washed, and then they're pouring some kind of liquid that we're supposed to buy, those beverages or whatever, and then we consume those things. We have lost a lot of our South African kids, all because of these things. The food is not even checked. Some of it expires. The way these Ethiopian people, they have dominated the industry, they even have their own wholesales. That's where they stock every single thing, because around where I stay, there's about 2 wholesales, very, very big. That's where they all stock their goods and then come to sell to us locally. We don't even know how these things were produced. They probably, I don't know any factory that they have, but you can see from these videos the factories that are manufacturing Coke, the way they're manufacturing Coke, Coca-Cola, and drinking that water is coming straight from the toilet, and then they're letting you drink. That's how much they care for you, right? These people don't care about us as South Africans, and when they look at us, they see something that is very, very useless. And I've seen that when I go by at the shops, they don't take South Africans very, very serious. They think that we are just some lazy, brainless people, but we are actually very, very smart. We are very, very smart. South Africans, let us fight for this country. We can't keep eating the things that they keep on. They showing us as South Africans right now. Would see the stuff that they produce is very, very dirty. You can see even the hygiene, the way they produce these things, and we're supposed to consume that. So please, South African, let us get it together. And there was a video of this other guy also owning a spaza shop. He used to steal cows from the Zulu guys. I know that some of you know these videos. So it's a very sad day, in South Africa. But let's pray to God. Let's pray to God to help us as a nation, as South Africans, to help us conquer this thing.